think today I had a wonderful, visual journey with one of the great students from AID, and the faculties are really, pushing the creativity to the next level. And which they have taken the extra mile to teach students, bringing the industry expert like us, and giving that extra knowledge, or what is that it takes to be a better artist or a good artist. I think that is a very good initiative taken by the faculty and the management, and I really enjoyed conducting this workshop. And we were enjoying creating visuals and helping the students to take the creativity to the next level, or giving wings to their dreams. So that was really fun.